Hi guys, it's Dani here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a Dutch braid. Now, let me tell you, if I can do this, anybody can do this. So let's get started. First, I want to just show you the braiding motion.
So I'm just going to grab a chunk of hair and show you guys really quickly what the hand motion is going to be like. So with this braid, with the Dutch braid, we're going to want to go under. So we have 3 sections and we're going to want to go underneath, just like that. So each section, taking turns, like we all learned as children, goes under the middle section. So that section becomes the middle section, and then the other section goes under the middle section, just like that. And that is how you get a basic braid. So that's the motion that we're going to be using for our Dutch braid.
So we are going to get a pretty small section at the top of the head. Again, because we're going to be adding hair in, we don't want to start too big, because then it'll just get almost impossible to make the braid neat. And we just want to think of an imaginary line going down the middle of our head, and this side is going to be added to the hair on this side, and then it becomes the middle, and then this side will be added to the hair on this side, and then it goes under and becomes the middle. So we have ourselves a section. We're going to split that in 3, and we're going to hold 2 in one hand and 1 in another hand. Well, our other hand. Not sure how many hands you have. I have 2. We're going to just start with the regular braid, just 1 stitch, let's call it, of a regular braid. So we have that 1 stitch, adding in small sections of hair from the hair at the bottom. Now what you want to do, and that then becomes the middle section. What you want to do is you want to keep your section small so you can keep the braid neat and manageable. And then you want to swap it out with this other section, which then becomes the middle section. So we're holding in one hand the middle section and the section that we're not working with, and in the other hand we're gathering the hair that we're adding into the section. We're adding it in. And we're taking it under our middle section to become the new middle. Okay? Goody. And we just repeat that right down the head for one giant Dutch braid. But you can just keep braiding down in a regular 3-strand braid. As well. She can braid. She can braid, look at my braid. She can braid, what? She can braid, look at my braid. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. If it was helpful for you, be sure to leave a like and maybe share it with someone else that may find it helpful. And definitely come back next week. And if you want to be notified of that, make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell. And yeah, I will see you next week. Hope you enjoyed this, and bye. So now we're gonna get into the cornrow, the Dutch braid. Then we